Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Mr. Beast. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw his nose with a diagonal curved line right there. Semicircle turn to the right with a curved line. Now for his eye on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at this point and a circular shape at this upper point right there, and another circular shape at this lower point to the top of his nose. Inside of that, I'm gonna draw a circular line for his pupil and a black circle at the middle point. For the right eye, I'm going to draw a curved line across, a circular line at this lower point, and a curved line at the top of that right there. Inside of the eye, I'm going to draw his pupil with a circular line right there and a black circle in the center point. Now for his eyebrow, I'm going to draw across a curved line on top of the eye, and I'm going to make it slanted downwards at the outer corner right there, and a sharp turn to the middle point slightly upwards. Curved line downwards at the middle point right there, and I'm going to add a short line at this corner right there. I'm going to draw a similar shape for the left brow right there. Now for the face shape on the left, I'm going to draw a line down above his eye right there, and below the eye I'm going to draw a curved line downwards and slightly outwards. For his cheek, curve it downwards and slightly inwards at that point, slightly below the nose. Now I'm going to draw his mustache below the nose with a curved line at that corner and a curved line out below that. Sharp turn back in, curved line in an opposite direction to the right there. Similar curved line again at the side, and another one. And from the tip of the mustache there, I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the lower point below his nose with a curved line. I'm gonna add some curved line at this corner and at this point right here. Now for his mouth, I'm gonna draw a V shape right here with a circular tip and back up. Semicircle turn sideways all the way to the side of his mouth and upwards at the corner of the mouth right there. At the side of the mouth, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there and turn it inwards at the lower point. And for his teeth, I'm going to draw a line down at that corner, across at the lower point, and back up, and a curved line to that point. For the lower part of his lips, I'm going to draw across a curved line below the teeth right there, to the right, and to the corner of the mouth right there. For the lower lips, I'm going to take this point at the side of the teeth again and draw a curved line downwards, sideways to the right, and below that, a line down. And I'm going to draw his goatee with some zigzag line across. And below that, on the left side, I'm going to draw some more zigzag line across and turn it to the right side and join with that point right there. Now I'm gonna go back and draw his hair, so I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point and turn it downwards and out, and we're gonna copy that same stroke again at this front point like that, and at the front I'm gonna extend it all the way out, sharp turn back in, and a curved line right there at the top. And at the side I'm gonna draw a curved line sideways at that corner. I'm gonna draw a similar curved line again on the right side right here, and we're gonna draw a few of them all the way to the side. And I'm gonna draw him with a cap, so we're gonna draw from this corner a curved line across, turn it upwards at the front tip, and turn it sideways and slightly back down at that corner. For the front part of the cap, I'm gonna draw a circular shape from this corner upwards and sideways at the top right there, turn it back down. And behind that shape, I'm gonna draw a curved line sideways and slightly downwards at the back right there. And at that point I'm gonna draw a line downwards. And for his ear, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line right there, turn it downwards at the side and turn it inwards and curl it with a circular line at the bottom point. Inside of the ear, I'm gonna trace the same outline on the right side right here, and at the top point extend it down on the left side right there, and a circular line downwards at that point. Now on the right corner below his hair, I'm gonna draw a line downwards here, diagonal line to the right, and semicircle turn at that corner. I'm gonna finish up the cap with a circular line right there, turn it diagonally downwards at the back. Below the ear, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards for his neck, and on the left side as well, a curved line downwards. I'm gonna draw Mr. Beast with a hoodie, so I'm gonna draw the hoodie with a curved line from the side of the neck here, turn it downwards to the center point, and I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side right there, and semicircle turn at the back. Slightly above, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, semicircle turn at the corner and turn it back inwards, and another curved line at the side of that and turn it back inwards. On the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line right here and another one on the side, turn it inwards diagonally to the center point. Now at the side of the hoodie, I'm gonna draw his shoulder with a curved line to the side, turn it diagonally downwards, and semicircle turn at the elbow back to the right and extend it to the right, a curved line at that corner at the wrist, curved line across at the wrist, another curved line to the right on both the top and bottom point, and turn it inwards at that ending point. Now for the inner line of his sweatshirt, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there and a curved line all the way back to his elbow. And at the side of that, I'm gonna draw a line upwards all the way to his shoulder right there. And I'm gonna draw him holding a stack of money. So for his hand, I'm gonna draw across a curved line right here. Curved line out from the sleeve diagonally to the right. Turn it upwards. Semicircle turn at the thumb and turn it back downwards. Now for the fingers, I'm gonna draw a line diagonally up at this corner. Semicircle turn at the tip and back to the left side. I'm gonna copy the same shape for this other finger right here, and for the other finger below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line like that, another one below that, and extend it all the way back to the sleeve. Now at the side of the finger here, I'm gonna draw a diagonal curved line upwards and to the right, turn it sideways, and another diagonal curved line right there. From this point at the top, I'm gonna draw a line up on both points, a curved line diagonal again at this corner, and a curved line across. At the side here, I'm gonna draw a line down and another line down at that point and across on the right side right there. And in this space, I'm gonna draw some curved line, some short curved line across, and some line across at this space right here. Now for the right shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line out right there, turn it downwards with a semicircle turn, diagonal line to the elbow, to the left, turn it all the way to the left with a diagonal line right there, a curved line at that corner, turn it upwards at that point, a line across, and a curved line. Below the arms, I'm gonna continue the line of the sweatshirt on the left side. I'm gonna draw a curved line below that outwards and turn it back inwards. And on the right side, a curved line below the arms right there, and we're gonna draw a curved line again at this corner. I'm gonna draw some more stack of money on this corner right here. I'm gonna copy the same shape right there. And I'm gonna mirror the same stack of money on the left side here as well. And below that stack of money on the left, I'm going to draw a diagonal line across, turn it downwards at this outer corner. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right side with a diagonal line across right there, turn it downwards at the outer corner. Now for the lower part of his sweatshirt, I'm going to draw across a curved line right there, and another curved line at the lower point right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.